Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how you can do shake effect in CapCut. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So click on CapCut and now click on new project and select the video that you want to add shake effect in. I'm going to take this video here. Click on add. Alright. Now what you need to do is you need to select the area where you want to add the shake effect. I will just crop this video and take it to the part where Thor enters. You can do as you wish. I'm just showing you as an example of how you can do that. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it until here. Alright, now what I want to do is I want to add shake effect on the part where Thor grabs the hammer. When the hammer returns at the back, when the hammer returns to Thor. So I'm just going to split that part here. I'm going to put a split here, and after putting a split, what you need to do is go on effects, click on effects. Now click on video effects. Inside video effects, you will need to search for an effect called shake, and you will find it here in the basic. You will need to find it in the basic, so remember that. Now you can easily find an effect called shake. Simply click on it. I'm just going to lower down the volume and now click on adjust. It's important to adjust according to your own need. You can increase the intensity or maybe decrease it so it looks decent enough. Okay, you can do the settings according to your need. And now click on right icon. Now what you need to do is make it a bit smaller. You don't need to make it too large effect. Okay, so keep it short. Alright, I will keep it this short, and now we will see how does our effect look. Okay, so as you can see, you can increase it if you want a bit. So as you can see, that's how you add shake effect in CapCut. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.